In this video I will show you location to find ProgramData Folder in Windows 11. Actually, this ProgramData Folder is system folder where many applications store shared settings, configuration and caches data for all users. For this, press Windows plus R from your keyboard. This will open Run Dialog box. There type %ProgramData% and click on OK button. This will open ProgramData Folder even if it is hidden. Now let's unhide this folder. For this, let's go to C drive from File Explorer. Next, click on View at the top. Next, click on Show. After that, click on Hidden Items. This will unhide ProgramData Folder inside C drive. If you want to hide it back again, go to Same menu and then select Hidden Items as shown here. You can see ProgramData Folder is hidden now. This is system-wide folder, so be careful before modifying any files here. Now let's access same path using command line and PowerShell. For this, press Windows plus R to open Run Dialog box. There type CMD and press Enter. This will open command prompt as shown here. There type start %ProgramData% and press Enter. You will see Windows will appear, and this is inside ProgramData Folder. If you want to access same using PowerShell, press Windows plus R to open Run Dialog box. There type PowerShell and press Enter. In PowerShell, type 2 times I and then $env::ProgramData and press Enter. This will open ProgramData Folder from PowerShell. In this way we can access ProgramData folders in Windows 11. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also click on bell icon so that you will not miss any update.